What's going on, guys? Happy New Year to all you guys. 2018 has been crazy for us. We're super excited. We got a ton of footage coming up for you guys tonight for New Year's. So we're excited. It's going to be absolutely chaotic. But I do want to put a disclaimer in here that do not try any of the stunts that we're going to be doing. We have been practicing a lot to get this down for you guys, and we have permission to be where we're going to be at. So I just want to make sure that you guys don't do what we do. If you do, it ain't on us. So, but I do want to thank you guys since day one. I mean, all the subscribers and all the followers on Instagram and everybody that we've been able to meet and come in contact with in the past couple of years and this previous year. It was sick, and I mean, we got to run our own private drift event for the first time, so we got to meet a lot of people. So we're having a blast. From the guys and myself, thank you so much. You guys are freaking dope, and 2019 is going to be a rad year. But going on from there, I do want to thank all of our sponsors, Mishimoto, DND Performance Interior, GodSpeed Project, Weeman's Custom Vinyl, and Ringleader Racing. We wouldn't be where we wouldn't be where we are without you guys helping us out, so we're extremely thankful for that. And I'm just going to keep it sweet, short, and let's just get into the footage, so enjoy. We're out here. Julian's out here. Basically, what we got to do is we're trying to figure out why I'm having like this misfire going on. It's been a couple weeks that we've had to basically take everything apart and check it all out. So I got some spark plugs. We're going to swap out the spark plugs. We're going to swap out the fuel filter. And then from there, we're going to check the timing once again. And then from there, whatever Robbie's got in his brilliant mind, we'll test. But hopefully it's just the spark plugs and the fuel filter. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then, yeah, we got some news coming up for you guys. So stick around. So as we were pulling out the plugs, Robbie found something. And it's in this last one back here. There was water, literally like a puddle down in there. So obviously that's not good. I don't know exactly where it could have came from. Julian's obviously saying like, dude, you have an open hood. It's pretty much clear that you would basically like, obviously moisture can get in there. But the thing is that my car has been stored. So I think the only way that could have happened is during one of the events. I mean, if like whatever we were driving in the rain.
This garage is not like 100% sealed, so.
Yeah, true, that too. So yeah, so something could have happened, but whatever. So we're drying it up now, and then like I said, we're gonna get into the plugs and start swapping the plugs out. All right, guys. Thanks to these dudes, they helped me figure out my freaking issue. Basically it was something simple, just like the spark plug. So as you guys can see, Robbie was just giving me the rundown on the spark plugs, the electrode there, that little thing under that C shape. It's little to nothing. My car was running a little rich before we checked the timing a few weeks ago, so that's why they're kind of black. But as you can tell, those electrodes on every single one are tiny. Tiny, 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 tiny. So Robbie was giving me a little lecture about it, is that the surface area of the electrode, if there's more surface area, it's going to be easier for the spark to travel. If it's small, as you guys just saw, like that pinpoint, there's going to be...
As the spark plug wears out, that electrode gets smaller and makes it harder for the spark to jump.
So
causes it to break up.
And these guys were laughing at me because they're like, yo, when was the last time you changed your spark plugs? And I was like, I gave them the rundown. I was like, well, the last time I did the spark plugs was like when we first built the car, which was like 2 years ago. And don't get me wrong, I'm a noob. Like, don't get me wrong, I am a straight noob when it comes to all this. Like, I'm learning, like, these guys know way lot more than me. So I learned from them. So basically just talking about it is I didn't change my spark plug, so I was beating on the car for 2 seasons. Yes, I didn't daily drive it like every day. I just drove it at events, but the amount of me beating on it every event, like laps and laps and laps, especially our own event where we had like tons of laps. Yeah, so I was just totally destroying my car, and that's that. So when my last little burnout or launch that I did with Julian in the car the other night, we noticed that it was starting to break up. So at first we thought it was the fuel pump, whatever.
I was like Jeremy earlier. Right?
Yeah, that. So leave me alone. These guys ripping on me.
You learned how to pop start a car today.
I've never pop started a car in my life. I've helped people pop start. I've always done the pushing, but I've never like had to like push the clutch in, give it gas, whatever. And these guys are ripping on me right now, so whatever. But like I said, I'm not a perfect person.
You learn as you go.
I learn as I go, and so I'll never forget now. So, but yeah. So I mean, we changed the fuel filter, and then we changed the spark plugs, and the car runs amazing. We got something pretty sick set up. We've been talking about it all night. We're trying to get everything together. It is the new year, so happy holidays to all you guys. We're gonna be basically dropping a sick video for the new year with our team. Actually, everybody having a Z, everybody ready to rip. It's gonna be wild, guys. I don't think you guys are ready for it. Like I kind of want my car to blow up. I'll say it. I want to start 2019 of rebuilding the motor. That's what I want to do.
You're crazy.
I'm kidding. I want this video to be one of the sickest videos you guys are going to see from us. It's going to be a short clip kind of thing. It's not going to be like a daily vlog. It's going to be kind of like a start to 2019, like a New Year's resolution.
It's gonna be tough to pull this off.
It's gonna be tough. Yeah, breaking in. Yeah, it's gonna be tough, right? Yeah. But I mean, it's for them, so I think we can make it. And by the way, we're at 1,900 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We need that extra 100, and we'll be giving a giveaway. And I got we'll do typically the normal giveaway. We'll do some T-shirts. We'll do some decals. But I got one more thing that I'm gonna throw in. These guys don't even know about it yet, but I think it'd be pretty cool. It'll be a piece from basically all of us, kind of thing. So, stay tuned. But
bears in a bag.
It's our Pew Bears in a bag. No, I'm kidding. So, but nah, basically, we got a sick video coming out for you. Yo, Julian, did you notice since the last video, people have been commenting? We got like 30-something comments. Yeah. Thank you guys for the comments. Like I said, I've been mostly the one responding, but like, thank you. Like, I mean, we got tons of likes and tons of, I think the most likes and the most comments in that last video that we got. So, and like I said, I wouldn't be here if it weren't for these guys, especially Mark too. Mark's not feeling well, but we're gonna get him out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, trust me, this is big, guys. Like this is
Even
huge.
Even if we gotta hook a chain up to his Z and drag that fucker out.
That's it, man.
I told him I kind of want to do a tug of war with the Z.
So, this is so major right now that I'm actually trying to get other people to record. It's like typically, like I'm doing the recording, or these guys are doing the recording while we're all working on the cars or like doing crazy crap. I actually have people coming out and trying to like record this for us. So, it's big. It's big, and I want it to be as big as my brain thinks it's gonna be. So, but like I said, it's for you guys, man. We appreciate everything you guys do. Like, I mean, literally watching our videos, liking them, and people DMing us and everything. Like, it's sick, man. It's honestly, it's really humbling, and I enjoy it. Like, I never thought. I mean, dude, 2,000, man. Like, we're almost there, and like that's crazy. Like, dude, I remember when we hit like 50 and we were pumped. You remember that? Like.
I got 50 people watching us.
Right?
Now we got almost 2,000.
Almost 2,000, bro.
Crazy. We ain't nobody either.
Nah.
We ain't shit.
No. We're just normal dudes, man. We, like I said, we like to record, we like to hang out, and that's it. But short and sweet, baby. Who wants it?